Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export a Vistaprint design. First up, right here under Vistaprint.com, just go ahead over to your projects. Okay. Select the project that you would like to export. For example, maybe this one right here. Just click on Edit. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you can go ahead over to the top and click on Preview. Okay. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. As you can see here at the top left, you have the download PDF proof. But the problem with PDF proof is that you only have a copy of this specific design, front and back, but there will be a label right here that will block your design, okay? Say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and download this one and just wait for the download pop-up to arrive. Right here, as you can see, just the download page. Just go ahead and save it wherever you want. Save. It's done. Just click on it to open it up. And here's what I meant. Okay. So if you want to create a design with the intention of downloading it, you can just go ahead over to Vistaprint right here, or the home screen of Vistaprint, and then just use Vista Create. Okay. This one is Vista Create right here. All right. Just create a design. As you can see here at the top, you have the export button right here. You can go ahead and export it to a PDF, PNG, JPG, name it. That's it. That's how you export Vistaprint design. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.